Shrimp cocktail with 2 sister sauces. Most important thing about shrimp cocktail is how you poach the shrimp. So we're gonna add a lot of flavor to this water right now. Gonna get some lemon and get some lemon juice, and then you're just gonna throw the lemon halves in there too. Put the juice in, even the seeds, it doesn't matter. You're not going to take anything out except the shrimp once we're done here. And then for some more flavor, let's get some garlic in there. So what we're gonna do is just smash this guy. We can keep all of the skin on, it doesn't matter. And these guys go right in. Okay, so we have garlic and we have lemon, some parsley, get a nice fresh flavor in there. I remember when I went in to audition for One Day at a Time, I got like 4 callbacks before I actually met the Norman Lear. So when I went in to meet Norman and read for the part of Barbara Cooper, I was so nervous. And there was about 4 other girls out in the hallway. They had come in and read too, or they were about to come in and read. We're gonna add some peppercorns, just a little tiny handful. Let's get a little salt in here. We're gonna put the large shrimp in here, deveined, beautiful. And I want you to take a look at this color because the color's gonna change and that's how you know they're about done. But we don't want them to finish cooking in here. We're gonna take them out just a little bit early because they're gonna continue to cook as they sit. Look, you can see them changing color already. And as they get this beautiful pink, that's when they're time to come out. So while this happens, I'm going to get the 2 sister sauces put together. We're gonna do a nice spicy sauce and a nice lemony mellow sauce. So just kind of complement each other. First bowl for this mellow sauce. Half a cup of mayo, and you can eyeball it. You guys can do that. Half a cup of sour cream. That shrimp's ready to come out. It's been in there for about 4 minutes. So let's get it out because I do not want to overcook shrimp. All the shrimp is out. It's gonna continue to cook in here for a little bit. You can smell all the lemon and the garlic and the parsley. They really smell delicious. So these guys are gonna go wait back here. Now we gotta get some basil in there and finish getting the sauces made. And I'm gonna show you a little trick to chiffonade these guys so they get cut up. You just rest the leaves into each other and then you roll them up and you take your knife and you can slice them into nice thin ribbons. Go right in to your mixture. Now let's add a little lemon. Get my zester. So we have lemon zest, basil, sour cream, and mayo. Now we need a little salt and pepper. So we'll let these guys kind of meld together, get all the flavors together, and I'm gonna make the cocktail sauce. So first up, main ingredient, ketchup, about 3/4 of a cup, a little bit of lemon juice. I'm gonna open the chipotle. So I'm getting the adobo sauce from the chilies in here, about a tablespoon. And then it's time for the prepared horseradish. So we want a teaspoon, but I'm gonna add a little bit more, a heaping teaspoon, because I like the spice. All right, now I wanna show you guys something really fun. Grab yourself some martini glasses. Take each dip, put a little bit of dip in each glass. It's a celebration. Take your other dip, get that in the other glass. If you don't have a martini glass, that's fine. Any fancy glass, any regular glass will do, but you want it to be shallow. So then grab your shrimp. They've cooled off by now, and just lay them over the edge. You leave the tail on, so you have something to hold while you're dipping. Just 3 for now. How fun would this be for a party? Just put these out as a little hors d'oeuvre. Let's try a little bit. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, it's so good. You got the nice bite from the horseradish, and then you have that kind of like sneaky, smoky flavor, heat that comes up near the back of your mouth. That is delicious. Start with the fire, end with the coolness. Oh, the lemon hits you first, but it's that mix of mayo and sour cream that really does the trick. My appreciation for Bonnie and Pat and Mackenzie is always right here in my heart. They're very special people. They changed my life. That show changed my life. Norman changed my life. And I couldn't be more grateful. Cheers.